Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M31s, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here on the sounds and vibration. Now just here you'll see the notification sound section. We got selected the space ceiling sound, just tap there, and here you can just change one from this available notification sound, for example this one. And now just go back to save the changes, and as can you see here we got set the new notification sound. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.